Have you ever wondered how AI is changing the way businesses operate? A question that might spark curiosity in many, and rightfully so. We're living in a world where artificial intelligence has become an integral part of our daily lives, and it's reshaping the business landscape at a pace like never before. The rise of AI in the business world is nothing short of phenomenal. From healthcare to retail, finance to manufacturing, AI is making its presence felt across various industries. It's more than just a buzzword, it's a technological revolution that's transforming the way we work, the way we think, and the way we live. One of the key benefits of AI is improved efficiency. Businesses are leveraging AI to automate tasks, streamline operations, and increase productivity. It's like having a super efficient assistant that's working tirelessly 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, without ever needing a coffee break. Beyond efficiency, AI also brings remarkable accuracy. It's capable of analyzing vast amounts of data, spotting patterns, and making predictions with a level of precision that's simply beyond human capabilities. This accuracy is particularly valuable in sectors like finance and healthcare, where even the smallest error can have significant consequences. But perhaps the most noticeable impact of AI is in the realm of customer service. Today, businesses are using AI to deliver personalized experiences, respond to customer queries in real time, and even predicts customer behavior. It's not just about meeting customer expectations anymore, it's about exceeding them. So how is all this possible? The answer lies in the prime of machine learning, a subset of AI that enables computers to learn from experience and improve their performance over time. It's this ability to learn and adapt that's driving the AI revolution in business. And one of the most influential AI technologies today is the chatbot, specifically Chat GPT. So what exactly is Chat GPT? Well, imagine a sophisticated, witty conversationalist who never sleeps, never gets tired, and always has the right information at the right time. That's Chat GPT in a nutshell. It's a language model developed by OpenAI, designed to generate human-like text based on the input it receives. Picture it as a highly advanced chatbot with a knack for understanding context and producing relevant responses. ChatGPT is powered by machine learning, which means it learns and evolves with every conversation, constantly improving its understanding and communication skills. But it's not just about the tech speak, it's about the potential. In the business world, ChatGPT can be a game changer. It can handle customer inquiries, streamline internal communications, and even generate creative content. The possibilities are vast, and the potential is immense. With ChatGPT, businesses can interact with customers in a more efficient and personalized way. Let's take a look at how ChatGPT is revolutionizing customer service. Picture this: a leading e-commerce company, let's call it eShop. eShop found its customer service department overwhelmed with inquiries, complaints, and feedback. They were spending countless hours responding to emails, calls, and chat messages, leaving customers waiting and frustrated. Enter ChatGPT. eShop decided to implement this artificial intelligence tool into their customer service model. They trained it on their database of customer interactions, equipping it with the ability to handle a multitude of queries, ranging from tracking orders to handling returns. The impact was immediate. eShop saw an impressive rise in efficiency. Customer queries were being answered in real time, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. There were no more long wait times or unanswered emails. The AI handled routine inquiries, freeing up the human customer representatives to tackle more complex issues. And the customers? They were thrilled. They could reach out at any time and receive immediate, accurate responses. eShop's customer satisfaction scores soared. The speed and reliability of the AI responses instilled a sense of trust and loyalty among the customers. But that's not all. The cost savings were substantial. By automating routine interactions, eShop managed to cut down on their customer service manpower costs. The AI system, once implemented, required only minor maintenance and updates, proving to be a cost-effective solution in the long run. The benefits extended beyond the tangible. The AI's ability to analyze and learn from every interaction provided valuable insights into customer behavior and preferences. This data allowed eShop to tailor their services even more closely to their customers' needs, driving further growth and customer loyalty. So as we can see, ChatGPT can dramatically enhance the customer service experience. eShop's story is just one example of the transformative potential of AI in customer service. The future of customer service is here, and it's powered by ChatGPT. But ChatGPT's potential doesn't stop at customer service. It's also making waves in marketing and sales. Let's take a deep dive into a real-world case study where a company has leveraged ChatGPT in their marketing and sales strategy. Our spotlight falls on a medium-sized apparel company, Fashion Forward, that was looking for ways to expand their customer base and boost their sales. Fashion Forward decided to implement ChatGPT into their marketing strategy, and the results were nothing short of phenomenal. They used ChatGPT to create personalized marketing messages for their customers based on their browsing and purchasing history. The chatbot was able to analyze data and tailor messages that resonated with individual customers, making them feel valued and understood. This personal touch led to a significant increase in email open rates and conversion rates, with customers appreciating the relevant product recommendations. ChatGPT also proved to be a game changer in sales. Fashion Forward deployed it as an intelligent sales assistant on their website. The chatbot was able to engage with customers, answer their queries in real time, recommend products based on their preferences, and even upsell or cross-sell where appropriate. It was like having a tireless salesperson working round the clock, ensuring no customer inquiry went unanswered. And the results? Well, they speak for themselves. Fashion Forward saw a 25% increase in sales within the first 6 months of implementing ChatGPT. And that's not all. They also experienced a 30% rise in customer engagement and a 40% increase in customer retention. This case study demonstrates how ChatGPT can help companies reach more customers, personalize their marketing messages, and drive sales. It's not just about automating tasks. It's about enhancing the customer experience and forging stronger relationships with your audience. So whether you're a small startup or a large corporation, the message is clear. Embrace the power of AI. Leverage tools like ChatGPT to revolutionize your marketing and sales strategies. Therefore, ChatGPT can be a powerful tool for marketing and sales teams. So, what does the future hold for ChatGPT in the business world? A question that's been on the minds of many, and rightly so. As we delve into the prospective applications of ChatGPT, we find ourselves peering into a future where technology and business intertwine in ways we've only begun to imagine. Imagine a world where ChatGPT is fully integrated into the human resources department. It could streamline the recruitment process, sorting through hundreds, if not thousands, of resumes in a fraction of the time it would take a human recruiter. It could even conduct initial interviews, asking preset questions and evaluating responses based on parameters set by the HR team. This would free up valuable time for HR personnel to focus on more strategic tasks. Now let's shift our gaze to project management, a field that could see substantial improvement with the integration of ChatGPT. It could assist in tracking project progress, sending out timely reminders, and even predicting potential roadblocks based on historical data. It could essentially become a project manager's best friend, providing real-time assistance and insights. But the potential applications of ChatGPT don't stop there. As advancements in artificial intelligence continue to accelerate, we could see enhancements in ChatGPT's capabilities that we can't fully comprehend today. It could become more intuitive, more adaptable, and more sophisticated. It could learn to better understand human emotions, to respond more effectively in complex situations, and to provide even more nuanced and personalized assistance. The beauty of technology is that it's always evolving, always pushing boundaries. And as it does, so too will ChatGPT. Today, it's helping businesses improve their customer service and marketing efforts. Tomorrow, it could be revolutionizing HR, project management, and countless other business functions. Indeed, the future of ChatGPT in business looks very promising. As we stand on the precipice of this technological revolution, one thing is clear. ChatGPT is not just a tool for today, but a foundation for the business of tomorrow. To sum up, we've navigated the course of AI's dramatic entrance into the business world, transforming operations and creating opportunities at every turn. We've delved into the phenomenon of ChatGPT, a powerful tool that's redefining the way we communicate and interact in the business realm. From customer service to marketing and sales, ChatGPT is making waves. We've explored case studies where ChatGPT has been a game changer, enhancing customer experiences and streamlining sales processes. These real-world applications are just the tip of the iceberg. As we look into the future, the potential of ChatGPT in business is immense. Imagine a world where your business operates seamlessly, with AI handling complex tasks and you focusing on strategic goals. In this rapidly evolving landscape, one thing is clear. AI, specifically ChatGPT, will play a pivotal role in shaping the business world of tomorrow. So keep an eye on ChatGPT. It's set to revolutionize the business world.